So in example 1, we're told that Fred and Mark are sharing £300 in the ratio 2 to 3, and we need to find out how much money Mark gets. So to work out this ratio, our first step is to add together the ratio, which is 2 and 3. We know that 2 plus 3 gives us 5, so we know our £300 has been split into 5 parts. So our next step is to see how much is in one part of 300. So to do this, we need to take 300 and divide it by 5, which gives us 60. So we know that one part of 300 is 60. So our next step is to work out how much Fred gets. So Fred gets 2 parts of the 5 of the 300. So if one part is 60, we can times 60 by 2, which gives us 120, which is 2 parts, which is how much Fred gets. So we'll put F for Fred. So we now need to work out how much Mark gets. So Mark gets 3 parts of the 60, so we'll do 60 times 3, which gives us 180. So our answer is 180. And if you're unsure, you can always add them together to see if you get the amount that you started off with. So we started off with 300, which was then split into 5 parts. So if we do 0 plus 0 gives us 0, 2 plus 8 gives us 10, so we put the 0 in and we hold the 1, and we do 1 plus 1, which gives us 2, plus the 1 at the bottom gives us 300. So we know that the parts have been split equally, and we know that Mark gets £180 of the 300.